Hi, my name is Sumer Singh. I'm a cricket coach at Empower Cricket Academy. In my today's video, the series of videos that we are doing on skill the batting, I'm going to talk about front foot punch. Also, we can call it front foot half drive. Now, this is a attacking vertical bat stroke. This front foot punch, the front foot half drive, is an extension of front foot defense. Now this particular stroke is played on good length, full length and short of good length deliveries. Now to play this particular stroke, a batsman has to lead from head and front shoulder in the line of the ball. As this is an attacking vertical bat stroke, the bat comes from high back lift with acceleration. Playing this particular stroke, top hand should be firm as it should be in control, and the bottom hand provides the required support. Now the bottom hand should be soft and just 3 fingers are required to provide the support, that is the thumb, index finger and middle finger. Let's have a look of what I talked about. So I'll ask Palash to play a front foot punch offside. So we can see the top hand is in control, the bottom hand is nice and soft with 3 fingers playing their role, that is the thumb, index finger and middle finger. Let's have a different angle view now. Front foot half drive offside. So here we can see now a good number 9 is maintained, top hand in control, bottom hand soft with 3 fingers I talked about. The key point while playing this front foot punch is full face of the bat is presented in the direction of the stroke. So let's have a look. Front foot offside punch. So we can see the full face of the bat in the line of the ball, that is offside, back, and a straight drive. Full face of the bat presented in the line of the ball, straight, back, onside. And here we can see full face of the bat in the line of the ball, that is onside, with a good number 9 figure maintained. Now the key thing which has to be kept in mind is that while playing this stroke, the shoulders rotate vertically in the line of the ball. So let's have a look. A straight front foot punch. So we can see the rotation of shoulder which is vertical in the line of the ball. The top hand and the elbow should be high, nice and firm. The bottom hand is soft. Bat face presentation is perfect with a checked follow through. It stops here. It doesn't complete. So with a checked follow through. The 4 key points while executing this particular stroke which has to be kept in the mind is: the first, when the batsman starts his inning or her inning, the ball should be played in the V between, say for a right-handed batsman, mid-off and mid-on. So that's how you start building on this particular stroke. Second key point is the step towards the line of the ball is crucial with a short stride. Let's have a look. Okay. So here we can see the stride is short in the line of the ball. Now the third key point while executing this stroke is the batsman should stand tall while playing this stroke, ensuring the back leg doesn't collapse. So let's have a look. So you can see the batsman standing tall without the collapse of the back leg. Fourth key point I want to share with you is this particular stroke can also be played in the air to clear the infield and the field. And the 2 points that one needs to keep in mind is the ball has to be met earlier, and the second point, that the body weight should be transferred in the line of the ball, which is very important. So let's have a look. here we can see that the ball is played little away earlier, one, and the body weight is right behind in the line of the ball. So I'd like to thank Palash for his help, and I wish you all the very best.